This turned out even better than I imagined. The before and after is incredible, like two different knives. Perfectly restored. Ready for service. Decades in the making. Look at the corrosion.
It's bad, but the blade's solid. Yeah.
He made it back, the knife will too. Decades of moisture destroyed this grip. The leather washers are crumbling to dust. The blade's perfectly straight, impeccable integrity despite the rust.
Yeah.
The spine flexes perfectly or nextures. Decades of patience against decades of rust. There. I recognize this pattern. This isn't just a knife, this is USMC. Just like Grandpa's.
Yes. High carbon. A fine blade.
The measurements confirm it. A precise reconstruction of the walnut handle, guided by these original specifications. This blade will be resurrected.
This gentle chemical process is preserving the artifact's integrity.
Look at that.
Science serving history.
All right, time for the reveal. This is looking great. 70 years of rust, gone.
Perfect. Ready for the next stage. Almost there. Just a bit more on this edge, then we move to the next grit. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that mirror forming. She's earned this. Almost there. One more grit and the buffing. This will be far beyond anything it saw in the Pacific.
The markings are coming through now. Almost there. It's looking perfect.
This is the one. 80 years, hidden in the rafters, waiting. Grandpa would approve.
Perfect orientation. Beautiful grain. This walnut is just incredible. Precision, measured depth, perfect alignment. Good, good. Just like he taught me. I've shaped it to fit his hand, just like he did mine. It feels like an extension of me, Grandpa. The 80 grit is taking off the rasp marks. It's rough, but necessary to start seeing the grain. Progress is good. Time to inspect for the next step. The walnut is ready. Just one more grit, then the oil to reveal its glory. 80 years of waiting. Now it's time to honor it. All right, second coat, Grandfather, coming through nicely. Another 24, and then the third. The fifth and final coat. Now you truly see the history of this old wall. Excellent. Time looks incredible, just like new. Perfectly seated. Now to make them flush. Oh, solid as a rock, good as new, Grandfather. This turned out even better than I imagined. The before and after is incredible, like two different knives. Perfectly restored. Ready for service. The balance is perfect, right at the guard, just like Granddad.
I finished it. Your great-grandfather would be proud.
Thank you, grandfather. It's perfect.
He carried this in the Pacific. It's your turn to carry his legacy.
I will.